Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to solve a mirror cube. This is a mirror cube in a solved position. Now if we are going to disturb this, you'll be getting something like this. You can see that in a case of a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, we were having different colors and we were able to solve with the help of the colors which we see. But here we have a different size of the blocks. It's always preferred to start solving from the largest block. Here we are having the largest block, the middle one is the mediator range, and then we are having the smallest one, this one. So I prefer from the largest one. So where is the middle of the largest? So here we got, so this one is the middle of the largest block. Now we are going to turn and put the blocks of the same height over here. Like we take this. Now here this is not of the same height. We turn for the more. This one is of the same height. Now let's see over here. This is also matching. So this is the right position of this one. Now here is also the same height. So this is right block, but here it's not equating, so it is not a right position. So what do? We just turn this one to the just back, just at the back. Now rotate it and see which one is equating with it. Here it's not. Turn more. This one is, no, this one not. Now here we have got the same height. Now we are going to turn this one to the top again, and this is the right position of this block. Now we'll just go for the others too with the same thing. We're going to rotate to the height. Suppose this one is having the same height, here it is equating, so this one is the right position, and here it is again right, this is again right, and here is again right. So we have got all the center one. Now we'll go for the corners. Here we are having this block, and this is the biggest corner of this. Now we are going to turn this over here. For that we will just turn this one down and look for that. I am shifting this one down and then repositioning this one. As this is of the same height, this one is equating, so this will be the right position for this corner. Now I'll go for the others block also. Like here we are having this one of the same thing, but this is in an opposite way. So let's try for the other one also. Here we are having one more block, and this will be placed over here. For that, put this over at this corner. Now put this one down, reposition over here. This is equating with the height over here, and this one also. So you turn it over here. Now this corner is completed. Now I'll go for the other corners, and here we see this one is in the downward direction. This will be just in opposite. So the same rule, we are going to put it at the down, turn a bit, then make two rotations over here, 1 and 2, then turn this one up. After doing so, you will just put this on one of the edge and put it down, bring this up, and you'll get it at a right position. Now similarly you'll go for the last one also. Last one is over here, so again you have to just turn it down, make two rotations, 1 and 2, turn it up, then this will be over here. Now place it down, turn it back, and then put it up. Here we have completed our first phase. Now we'll go for the second column. In second column we again have a rule, and the rule is rule for the second layer. Here we again go for the height. Like first of all we have to hold like this, and then you're going to check for the same height. Now here we are having the same height. This one is having the same height. Now we'll see at which side this can be placed. This one is thicker block, so this will be placed over here. And if it is going to be placed over here, you're going to turn in that direction. In the first direction, this means you're going to follow the top rule, then right up, turn this one in this direction, then right down, then turn this, then in U shape, turn back, and then this one. So here we see this block is completed and at the right position. Now we'll go for the others also and see which can be completed on turning again and again. Now here we see this is at the same height, and but it is equating with this one also. This means this all the parts which we are having at the top are the parts of the top block only, and all the blocks which are rearranged over here are in the distorted place over here only. So first of all we have to disturb one of it. So you can disturb by applying any one of the rule. Any one of the rule you can apply to disturb one of it. I'm just applying the upper one, turning up right up, turning this back, right down, turning this, then front in this way, then turning this one back and rotating it back. Now we'll see we'll be having something to change, and on turning we have got this one. Here we are having the same height, but this is not equating with this one, and so this will, and this one is at this right position, so this will be placed over here. So first of all we are going to, as it is going to be placed over here, you are going to make this on that turn. So now you are going to follow the top rule, right up, this back, right down, turn this one, then front, then this direction, and then this. Here we have got this at the right position. Now we'll check for the others also. Here we get one more of the same height, and this one is not equating with it. This means this will be not placed over here, and this one is matching, so this will be placed over here. Now as this is to be placed over here, we are going to turn in this direction. This means again the top rule, right up, turn this one back, right down, then turn in this direction, front with U shape, then turn this back, and then return this one. Here we have completed our second block also. Now I'll go for the top one, for the third one, and the rules for the third block is, for the third layer we are having set of rules for the different positions. Now very first of all we are having this L shape. You can see over here we are having this L shape. So we are going to put this law rule, and in this one we have to first of all turn this front one in U shape, then right up, and like this one. So we are following that, and the thing which is to be counted, the position, you have to hold somehow that this is in this shape. Now front in a U direction, right up, then one time this one, right down, turn this back, and right, and this. Now you have seen this bar shape. You have got this bar. Again you are going to put this law, right up, front in this one, right up, then top in this direction, right down, top back, and front in U shape. After getting this, you see that you are having the plus shape, but at the right not at the right position. So you are going to turn a bit and see on which positions they are having. Here we see we are having a different situation, that these two positions are equating. In such cases, you can hold like this and apply this law. Right up, turn 2 times, right down, turn back, right up, turn, and this one right down. Now after that you're going to adjust it. Here we get this one. The rule which we have got right now in the previous step, that these two are equating and these two are not equating, that is a very minor one. We get it very occasionally, but this one is very familiar, that you get this one very particularly. Now here you have got these two positions at the right position, and you are going to hold like this, such that these two positions which are equated, that will lie over here. Now you are going to hold like this and going to apply this law once again. Right up 2 times, then right down, top back, then right up, top in the back direction, and right down, and then again readjust it. Now here we have got all the positions at correct. Now we'll see which block is at the right position and which one is not at the right position. This one is smallest one, this is at the right, and then you see this one is quite bigger, and this is not at right position. So we are going to hold such that the block which is at the right position should lie in our left direction, and then we are going to apply this rule, that is right up, turn back, right up, turn in this direction, then right down, then this, and then this one. I have hold this one in this form, and now I'm going to apply this one. Right up, turn the top and this one, then left up, top one back, then right down, then top one in this one, and then left down, and then readjust it, and we get all the positions clear. We have got all the blocks at the same position, and here these two columns is also completed. Now we are going to apply this law until you get the right position of these two. Now right up, turn 2 times, right down, turn back, right up, turn this one, and right down, then left up, turn this one 2 times, left down, turn this, then left up, and left down, and this. Hence we have completed this one. If we are not getting this at the last step, you are going to continue this one until you get the right positions, and this one also be, if you are not getting at the right corners, then you are going to continue this with the right corners. Thank you. Like and share with your friends if you like the video. Thank you.